We'll be holding here for a moment while they remove the other tracks. Just remain seated. We'll be departing as soon as we get it green. There will be a second showing of the Christmas Fantasy Parade beginning at 5:15 p.m. right over here on Main Street.
Unfortunately, I don't get to go to that because I'm going to have to do a whole bunch of other things. Here we go. Pretty soon, you'll get to see the Disney Railway, everyone.
If you haven't already, appearing now for a limited time. Check the character schedule guide on the app for more information. But Horace Horsecollar and Max Goof have been appearing in Toontown lately. If you head over there, you might be able to see them. And next year, Horace Horsecollar will be featuring at California Adventure for Lunar New Year Festival for the Year of the Horse.
While I will be there in California Disney during the new year, it'll only be like during the second day of the new year, and even then I'll only have half a day. So chances I'm going to see that character are very slim at this point. I did, however, meet Jack Skellington and Sally during that first day. No, yesterday. Oh, sounds like we're about to go. So, never mind. If I remember to, I will say that something else.
As you're ready to depart, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, legs in the train at all times. Please provide for yourself, keeping them away from the openings of the train. Our next stop will be New Orleans Square.
Thought I'd get a bit of a view of Disneyland's entrance there. And now,
welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off.
As you went station, so that after your main seated into the train.
yeah. If I'd only recorded this earlier, I would have been able to get more better.
For those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren.
We're now entering the Bayou, home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek at the big party Princess Tiana is throwing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is honey.
Oh, such a good scene.
And when it comes to sweetness, the inhabitants of the land were passing through. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventures.
Bro, we'd be like breakfast this week. We were in Turtle.
That's nice, but I'm just saying, like, I didn't realize that. Hi. Enjoy your food.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
Yeah, you know, provided you can see it through the trees. This is the irony of it. Oh yeah, I forgot about the waterfall that's behind us.
Taking a shaman, sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below.
Ironically, he's talking about the shaman we have yet to pass. I could zoom in on it, maybe.
You've been riding the trails, traveling through nature's wonderland. Of course, some of them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Here, the mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Alright. Haven't seen those before. Thunder Mountain. I hope you blowing and whistling that doesn't copyright me. Oh, that was close. I almost dropped my phone.
Which one did you say is good at night? The Matterhorn?
This is we are going to get off the train.
So much for the Disney bubble, keeping out the rest of the world. I am
This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of gear. The ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, the cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop.
I honestly don't know if you guys can hear that.
They're waiting for us. Here we have the rides.
Keeping your hands, arms, all times. Please supervise your attention, keeping them away from the opening to the train. Our next stop is Tomorrowland Disneyland.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
For your safety, please remain seated throughout the voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch yourself.
And we missed out on all the other languages in that. Nuts. They'd like at least another 3 or 4.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight.
Yeah, too bad there's no squirrel to film. Oh well.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Somebody's poisoned the water hole. I don't know if you can see it, but those lava effects are pretty impressive.
We're now returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train.
And that's it. I'm getting off here. And this is where the video ends. Bye, everybody.